Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you 4 ways to water a container or grow bag garden. Here's a clip from the show. So I get a lot of questions about watering systems for the garden, and here's the 4 that I would consider. So number 1 is drip. Drip is okay if you have really clean water. We don't have clean enough water here and our drip heads plug up. You want to make sure that the drip covers the entire pot, like it doesn't just drip in one little spot. And it's really nice to have an automatic drip system. You can get a timer box where you can just hook it up and it'll just turn on. It's really a great thing if you are traveling and can't water the garden. The second one is small spray heads, and those are these, and this one I can just dial and it'll make a spray pattern the width of the container. And I really like that I can kind of dial that in, and you just hook up the hose. There's little tubes that hook up to this. These work pretty well. They don't get quite as plugged as a little drip system. The next one is a sprinkler system. We'll probably put one in here a little bit later. That's where you just have the pipe going down the center. It sprays a big pattern. It'll do 15 feet at a time. The only drawback to the sprinkler systems is that it gets the aisles wet, and then if you have dirt in the aisles and the wind blows the weed seeds in, then you do have some weeding and some mud with that. So that is one consideration for that. And the 4th one is to water by hand, and this is my favorite way. And what I like to use, this is a Dramm waterhead, and it has lots of tiny little holes here, so it comes out like a nice rain. And this is what I love to use, this one. This is my preferred method. And what I like about this is it makes me need to go to the garden once or twice a day, and I get to look at each container. So as I am watering along, I am looking at the container to see what's happening. Are there bugs? Is it plant growing well? Does it look normal? So to me, this is great because I get to spend time in the garden. What you want to do is to pick the system that best fits your lifestyle. And if you're gone a lot, you might want to use the automatic drip system. But if you do have the time, get a water wand and a Dramm head and get out in the garden and just totally enjoy it. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now is just demonstrate how I water this whole garden. And I'm going to use my Dramm head, and I'm going to soak each pot. You can see the Dramm head makes this beautiful like rainstorm, just nice even water, and it really is my favorite way to water. And I'm going to soak these. I'm going to count to about 3 or 4 and get these soaked, and then I could come back and water them again. And then once I get it watered, I can put my light frost blanket on if I want to help keep the wind out of these pots. And so we're just going to go each pot and just soak them down. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -3. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.